This is the embedded Capstone, so it's the senior project where they are putting all the stuff they've learned into a major project. The primary goals, I think, are to teach people to work in a group. So the whole point is to learn how to cooperatively work together toward a common goal and how to carefully, structurally document that process as we go.
CheckBud. It's a device that you can attach to near your front door, so when you're leaving in the morning, it checks your bags to make sure you have everything, and it'll also let you know the up-to-date traffic information, so you know which route to take to work. How it works is a small camera right there, which detects your face, and using machine learning, it's able to determine who the user is, and then from there, it automatically scans using an RFID antenna, and that will check RFID tags, which you should have placed on textbooks, notebooks, laptops, or whatever, and it makes sure that you have the correct items for the correct day. I got this idea from a morning when I was rushing actually to come to class, and there was really bad traffic, and I'd forgotten a notebook, and just having a device like this I see as being very helpful for someone who doesn't have a lot of time in the mornings.
This is our URCV, or we call it rescuer. We designed the project to use in the places that human cannot go into, like narrow spaces, or like the harsh environments, for example, like the disaster nuclear power plants or those things. So the car can go into the debris to recognize what is happening there, and also for rescuing.
We can move the car based on like the cameras video streaming.
So in the screen we have like those like little squares that circling the objects. That's how the visual recognition works. For example, the cars, the chairs, the phones, or like the human.
This is the camera, and we have two boards to control the wheels, and we have the humidity and temperature sensors to let us know the basic environments near the car. Also, the camera can send back the screen streaming to the computer. It is really reliable.
The name of our project is LuxBar. Everyone had really good ideas to bring to the table, and being able to merge those ideas into a workable product that was totally different from the starting point was a really great experience. LuxBar is a music enhancement device, so a lot of people who can't really hear music to its full richness or depth can use LuxBar as a way to augment that experience. And they can also use it just as a decoration, but we try to focus on the music aspect because we use a fast Fourier transform on board of our K210 processor. So controlling LuxBar from the app, you can initially disable the camera just to see what the different modes are. So we have strobe mode, which is going to flash, slide mode, rainbow mode, holiday mode, running man, and music rainbow. It's kind of silly, but I liked rainbow mode.